Nice gains on the short side today. Steady downtrend, and we were up 5,500 on the 200K portfolio, trading 4 micros of the stock index 26. Up 1375 on the 50K portfolio, trading 1 micro. That's the same as the week, and those are the numbers roughly on the month. And so we are back up on the month and back up on the quarter. And so good trading today, nice shorts. It was good to see a market that did not prop up. I thought it would prop up again. So good to see that short cycle. Short cycle's working well today. Let's take a look at that. See, on Friday, we saw the market gap down, continue, and then you can just kind of draw a line from after the first hour and the market chops around. Today, there was some continuation. So a lot of the selling that we've seen from last Thursday's close has been overnight and right at the very open. Right at overnight, right at the very open. So the potential on if you're just day trading is much less than if, say, you're holding shorts overnight or over the weekend. So you see these big moves down, down 2.5% on the Nasdaq. The portfolio strategies were up about 2.5% on the day. So it's good to be up 2.5% when the market is down 2.5%. And let's see, on the month, the Nasdaq futures were right here on the month, and so they are down on the month. Let me make sure here. So here is July the 29th. Nasdaq futures are lower than the close on July the 29th, and so felt like a strong uptrend, and then all of a sudden we are down. The Nasdaq is down on the month, and we are up on the month just a little bit though. So just like the trend action today, would be nice to have a trend that started at the previous day's close and trended down into the close. And so, we're going to see days like this. We're going to see choppy days. We used to see more days that would not necessarily, where all the trend wasn't overnight in the first few minutes of trade, where the very little trend the rest of the day. So we had a little bit of profits on the short side on Friday, and the long trades offset to around break even. And then today we had some good gains on the short side, up 2.5%. But considering that the average price that we were short, we kept shorting it on the way down. The average price was low. This sell-off here got us our gains, and so that was just a small percentage of the total move. And so capturing the total move, though, once again, would have required in this case an overnight, maybe over the weekend, holding over the weekend, holding overnight. So let's look at the trades on the day. Nasdaq EVP1 just got out, so I didn't count that trade in there. So there's a slightly more gains than what I stated, because this EVP trade, I was not counting it. Let's look at really good day on EVP1. Shorted and then went long. And then gap continuation 2019 went short. Gap continuation 2022, pretty tight stopped out on the short side. This one struggles on the short side because the stop loss is so tight. Tick reversal hit its profit target. Nice trade on the day on tick reversal. And then we had tick pulse, nice trade on the day as well. And so tick pulse and then tick wave, shorted it from the very beginning of the day to the end of the day. So short pretty much all day. But a lot of these strategies, didn't get in till later on, and so that brought the average entry price down. We shorted more as the market went down, brought the average entry price down, and we were short as many as like 9 or 10 strategies at once. And so overlap in Q, nice short on the day. Cobra 3, nice short on the day. Momentum reversal, stopped out trying to take the reversal trade. VT in Q, short on the day, and then parabolic VSD in Q went short on the day. Some really nice gains on the day, and Cobra 3 ES short, profit on the day. Tick fader, took the long trade, took the counter trend trade, and lost today. This one's been on a winning streak though, even though 3 out of the last 4 trades have been down. So this was down today, offsetting the Cobra 3 gains. Momentum reversal, took the long trade. 60-minute breakout short. Nice gains today. This one has gone through a long losing streak, and we implemented it at the beginning of August because we anticipated this. We did not get, we closed this trade on Friday, so we didn't get this little move here, this profit target move, so we underperformed a little bit. I didn't want to hold a short over the weekend, and there was not an opportunity to get in at a better price. It just opened up, hit the profit target, and then I took the next trades. Actually exited this trade. We were flat on the ES, and so momentum reversal was stopped out. We were net short and only 2 points away from this profit target, so I exited this trade because I didn't want to reverse around on this for just 2 points, and so that was a discretionary override I did, and so we underperformed a little bit, taking some risk management into account over the weekend and an unraveling of the short position potentially. So you can see the dip buyers they came in and made a little bit of an effort, but pretty weak effort overall in these markets, and so you see it at the end of the day in the Nasdaq just a little bit. You see made this low and then sprung up like this, but we were able to we were getting out of most of our trades, and so we were able to get out at a good price and be up on the day. The Nasdaq strategies were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 strategies traded today, and 2 were losers. So 9 out of 11 were profitable in the Nasdaq, and 2 out of 4 were profitable on the S&P. So good trading on Monday, August the 22nd, 2022. And these are the final results on the day. Once again, up on the month, up on the quarter now. So good trading on the short side.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.